Gene, talk to me about how realistic it is that this administration does something that could really adversely affect Amazon.
I think there's probably a 3% chance. It's extremely low. This is a great vehicle for Trump to kind of exercise some of his issues with Jeff Bezos. But beyond that, I think that it's fascinating because if you look at the top or 7 kind of the most the leading tech companies right now, 6 of the 7 have some sort of a fundamental issue, whether it's Facebook with privacy, Google with potentially how they're doing data. There's some concern about Apple and the iPhone numbers, Twitter, just down the line. Amazon, surprisingly, is the one that hasn't had any problems. And now Trump stands up today and says he's continuing to pick this fight. At the end of the day, the standard rule, I guess the standard of care is that our consumers better off. And ultimately, I think that consumers are better off with Amazon, and I think that will prevail during this kind of this debate.
So, Gene, it really raises the question, as you look across the majors, the big tech companies that face these political headwinds, is it fair to say that actually Amazon is the most insulated?
Yeah, I think that's fair. I think Apple kind of circles in that, but they've done a great job of kind of striking a balance here with some of the development, some of the office and support that they're doing, for example, with Foxconn and the production and this other support center for they're going to have in the U.S. So I think Apple, just because of its size, tends to get picked on a little bit as well. But that is correct, is Amazon is probably the one that has the most political risk of any of the big tech companies.